What if your documents could read themselves to you, with a voice so natural, you'd forget it was AI?
In today's digital world, we can convert text into natural-sounding speech within seconds.
Welcome to AnyToSpeech, the platform that transforms PDFs, images, and text into human-sounding audio that's actually listenable. In the next 7 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to convert any document into professional audiobooks, plus a secret weapon most people don't know about, turning images into speech. Let's go. Start by going to AnyToSpeech.com. Click PDF to Speech or PDF to MP3. They're the same powerhouse. Here's what sets AnyToSpeech apart. The voices are genuinely natural, not robotic, not the creepy AI voices you've heard before. These sound like real humans reading your content. We're talking about voices like Core, firm and confident; Karen, clear and informative; Lita, youthful and vibrant. These aren't generic options. They're engineered for different tones and styles. The 3-step process is dead simple. First, click Choose Your Audiobook Narrator. This is critical. Don't just pick a random voice. Think about your content. If you're converting a professional business document, choose Karen. Clear, authoritative. If you're converting a young adult novel, choose Lita. Vibrant and energetic. The voice carries the mood of your content. You also get a playback speed slider. Adjust from 0.5x to 2x, depending on how quickly you want to consume the material. Second, upload your PDF. AnyToSpeech handles massive files up to 100 MB, so whether it's a 20-page report or a 500-page textbook, you're covered. The platform also accepts docx, txt, and CSV files. Here's the genius part. It automatically removes page numbers, skips footnotes, and bypasses table of contents sections. You're not getting the word-for-word reading that sounds awkward. You're getting intelligent narration that sounds like someone actually read and understood your document. Third, add your email and click Convert Now. AnyToSpeech processes your file, usually within 24 hours for standard files, and sends you a download link to your audiobook as an MP3.
Technology has transformed the way we live and work. In today's digital world, we can convert text into natural-sounding speech within seconds.
This is where it gets powerful. You now have an audiobook you can listen to while driving, while exercising, while cooking. You can consume 5 research papers in a week without sitting at a desk. That's the game changer. Here's a real example from their customers. Greg uploaded a large PDF document, wanted to turn it into an audiobook with minimal effort, and within a day was listening to professional quality audio. His exact words, "The AI voice was very good and felt reasonably close to a human reading the text." That's the standard. Now here's the feature that blows people's minds. Click Image to Speech. This uses AI-powered OCR to extract text directly from images and convert it to speech. But here's the critical distinction. Most image-to-speech tools are garbage. They extract messy text. They don't understand context. They produce terrible audio. AnyToSpeech does something different. It includes AI-powered summarization. The workflow is instant. Go to the image-to-speech page and you'll see 2 options: basic for single images or advanced for up to 20 images. Advanced is the power move. Why? Because you can batch process multiple documents at once. Imagine you have a stack of handwritten notes, scanned pages, or screenshots. Upload all 20 at once, and the system extracts text from every image and converts the combined content to speech in one shot. Drag and drop or click to browse. The platform supports JPG, JPEG, PNG, GIF, and BMP, basically any image format you'll encounter. Maximum 10 mil nearby per image. Once you upload, the OCR engine reads the text. Here's where the intelligence kicks in. You get to select your voice, your speaking speed, and your style before converting. This isn't random extraction and random reading. This is you controlling how your document sounds. Click Convert to Speech, and it generates crystal clear audio, perfect for reading signs, menus, documents, or handwritten notes. But the real power is this. Imagine you're a student with textbook pages, study notes, and class handouts scattered across photos. Upload them all to AnyToSpeech image-to-speech. Select your preferred voice, maybe Nova for enthusiastic narration, and within seconds, you have podcast-quality audio studying material. You've just turned unorganized notes into listenable content. This is where AnyToSpeech separates itself from competitors. The platform offers 100+ voice and style combinations. This is where AnyToSpeech separates itself from competitors. The platform offers 100+ voice and style combinations. Let me break down the featured voices because this matters. You have Alloy, neutral and balanced, the Swiss Army knife of voices. You have Echo, professional presence, perfect for business content. You have Fable, character-driven, ideal for fiction. You have Onyx, deep and authoritative, perfect for serious content. You have Nova, energetic and uplifting, great for educational material. You have Shimmer, warm and friendly, ideal for audiobooks. But here's the advanced move most people miss. You don't just pick a voice in English. AnyToSpeech supports international narrators with different accents. Want British English? Choose a UK voice. Want Indian English for technical content? Choose an Indian narrator. Want Portuguese? Select a Brazilian narrator. This accent diversity is critical because it affects how people emotionally connect with your content. The platform also offers voice vibes or tones. Think of this as emotional direction. You can set the voice to sound like a patient teacher for educational content, or dramatic for storytelling, or neutral for news, or any tone in between. The AI actually adjusts intonation, emphasis, and pacing based on this. A dramatic voice reads, "The hero stood alone," differently than a patient teacher does. Real customers report this constantly. People don't want robotic text-to-speech anymore. They want audio that sounds like someone actually cares about the content. AnyToSpeech delivers exactly that. You have multiple conversion options beyond PDFs and images. URL to speech. Paste any article link and convert the entire web page to audio. Transcription. Upload audio or video files and get accurate transcriptions in 100+ languages. Image translation. Extract text from images and translate to 30+ languages before converting to speech. This is multinational content creation in one platform. The pricing is aggressive. Free tier gets you 15 seconds of audio and 5,000 characters monthly, enough to test quality. Hobby tier at $7 monthly unlocks 50,000 characters and unlimited image conversions. Standard at $14 gets 100,000 characters. Pro at $69 unlocks 1,000,000 characters. Every plan includes commercial use, which is huge if you're creating content for YouTube, podcasts, or client work. Here's the advanced workflow nobody talks about. Combine PDF to speech with your content creation pipeline. Write a blog post, convert it to audio with AnyToSpeech, and suddenly you have podcast episode content ready to upload. Write an ebook, convert it with a premium voice, and you have audiobook distribution ready. Convert webinar slides to audio, and you have study material for your audience. The platform becomes infrastructure for your content empire. Mobile app integration is critical. Download the free Android app, and you can convert text, images, and audio to speech anywhere, anytime. Your audio files save to your library automatically. The barrier between reading and listening just collapsed. AnyToSpeech doesn't just convert text to speech, it makes audio so natural that your audience won't think about the voice at all. They'll just consume your content. Go to AnyToSpeech.com, test it free, upload your first PDF, select a voice that matches your content's mood, and hit convert. In hours, you have audiobook quality content that would cost thousands to produce traditionally. Your documents deserve to be heard.